Yes, use the force, girl. Ouch! All that pink makeup, but now her face is gonna be all red. What is that, a sandal? Finally, a way to hold a phone with your feet without being born a monkey. And yes, toes work just like fingers. Let's just hope she's careful with all that blood rushing to her head. Keep practicing that yoga. You'll get your foot to reach your face in no time. Wow! Toilet paper earrings! Don't you just love when fashion is functional? Let's test it out. Chop up some onions and you'll need a tissue any second. Oh, I know. So sad. Oh, very absorbent. And great for when you need to blow your nose. Or wipe your face. But here comes the ultimate toilet paper test. Probably need a few squares. And if you wear these, you'll never forget your role. Let's see what's next. Whatever it is, it seems easy to open and close. Oh no! His hoodie's a mess, and worse yet, he's wasting perfectly good soup. And she'll probably have to live in the kitchen from now on. What's next? Oh no! Or maybe I should say, oh snap! Who knew it was so dangerous to wear a hoodie? Will this device help save the day? Oh good. For a second, I thought they'd have to ditch the hoodies. So what's next? What a tiny little hard hat. No, just a little small. It could come in handy, but not for your hands. Don't you just hate when that happens? Let's hope it fits Cinderella. Oh, cool. You've got one for each toe. I can't believe that worked. Now, let's bowl. Oh, looks like a strike. Yes. What's next? Well, this should come in handy whenever you need a straitjacket, and it comes in a lovely shade of blue. But how can we try it out? Not exactly low-cal, is it? Well, maybe there's a way to make her slow down a bit. Huh, anything that gives you all the burgers just pays for itself. I think it's worth every penny. Cool, a cup holder. Now you don't have to buy the rest of the car. And you can keep all your cup-related things really close by. Oh, delicious sprinkles. Did she just fill a cup with whipped cream? Oh, well, not a bad idea. It's great if you don't have an extra hand for dipping sauce or anything you put in a cup. Well, this is certainly an interesting way to get a manicure. Yeah, show all those glass bottles who's the boss. Never settle for plastic ones.
Wow.
Let's see what the fingers can do. Oh, cool. This one's a screwdriver. Ooh, you can pick locks. Now I can finally toss out all those keys. Let's see what's next. Well, it looks like they found a way to improve the sweatband. Now you can collect all the sweat for your sweat-related needs. Great idea! We can use this to help start a garden. We'll need some soil. And seeds. Oh, and it's time for a little watering session. Just don't overdo it. Man, I've got to hire you for my garden. Wow, finally a cup holder for your arm. You know, besides your hand. But it sure makes sneaking food a lot easier. Just up your sleeve. Oh, don't worry, there's nothing up my sleeve. Besides, the real crime is how much movie theater soda costs. And you can bring a drink for your friend, too. Now where's the popcorn? What the? Those are some long earbuds. Something you can wear from your ears? Well, it's certainly a fashion statement. Still, it comes in handy when you need your own chopsticks. Now, go and eat that sushi. Which reminds me, I could really go for some sushi right now. At this point, I have to wonder why she doesn't just print out new hands. Still, with something like this, you can turn anything into a backpack. Besides, our arms do so much for us. Our backs should do their fair share. Of course, there is such a thing as too much. Oh, poor thing. Will she be okay? Oh, that's nice of her. Let's hope there aren't more bags. What's next? Oh, man, turn on the AC. Finally, a device that can improve on deodorant. 2 at once. See? Told you were carrying too many bags in that last segment. Well, that should cut the time in half. Probably saved a whole minute. Oh, it's a comb with a human touch, with an emphasis on touch with those fingers. It's probably what Morticia Addams would use to comb her hair. And it offers a soft touch when you need it. Just don't forget, it's always important to wash your hands. Really get in those nails. It's like a pillow that also helps you pretend to be a mole. Yikes! The great and mighty Cthulhu! I heard the Kraken wanted a rematch. Well, it might look creepy, but at least she's comfortable and relaxed. Wait, is she really sleeping? Why not? We're already at the end. These guys think of everything, am I right? Catch you next time. Whoa, so many items. Something tells me the new choosing game is gonna start at any moment. Hey, nice squish. Pretty nice prize, too. Well, that's why that burger's there, buddy. Better luck next time. I wonder what you got. Wow, a lamp, just like in Aladdin. I wonder if this is where the musical number starts. Wow, moon shoes. They're like gravity-defying platform shoes. A little boost in height might even help step up your basketball game. Cool, you did it. Now what else can you do? Is someone in danger? Oh no! A kitty is stuck in, well, not a tree exactly. Hooray! You saved the day! Okay, now you're getting a little carried away. Oh boy, what's our next wish? World peace? No, a safety wristband. Let's see it in action, if she can figure out what it does. I guess it's one of those self-explaining kind of toys. Now where does this go? Hey, nice bow, dude. Stay classy.
Yeah, hold on. I think we was supposed to take a left at Albuquerque.
Phew, we finally made it. Aw, it's like the red string of fate, but like turquoise colored. Anyway, when are they cutting the cake? Okay, what's next? Oh yeah, who wouldn't wish to be a cat? Such a glorious life. Especially when they make it so easy to groom yourself. With enough of that fur, we can make a hat for a cat. Look who's changed back. Cool, a portable sauna. I mean, you never know when you're gonna need a sauna on the go. Hey, I want one of those disappearing outfits. And it holds all the right accessories. I just hope they don't melt. Let's just hope for his sake she brought enough saunas to share. Wow, looks like she did. Now if they could just make AC tents for the summer. What will the genie give next?
Oh, wow.
Cool, some robo-fish. I think they need some water. No, I meant like in a tank. Close enough. Just like real fish, there's even a bottom feeder. This is the one time that fish don't mind ending up in a bowl of ramen. Probably should put it back. Yeah, let's see what's next. Cool. A maze toy. I wonder where you put the cheese. Those balls look like they're having quite a time at this. You could probably move them with your finger, but where's the fun in that? Let's see, 1, 2, 3. She must have an unlimited wish plan. Well, and up next, it's an air lounger. For the time being, you can wave it around like a flag. And annoy people. Seems like fun. But what else?
Ooh.
Good idea. It's supposed to have something to do with air. I guess it's fun if you like to spend money to sleep on the floor. Looks like our little friend is a wire charmer. A repairable charger? Oh no, the scissors! Guess we're not gonna wait for an accident to happen. Looks like you can cut into this charger and just reattach it. Oh good, it works for his phone too. And he wants to try it out. The expression, "don't press your luck," comes to mind. For our next wish, let's combine magic with science!
Wow.
We have our own little laboratory to play with. Imagine that, and without a grant, too. Wonder what she's gonna do with this egg. Look at all the colors! And it seems we've just concocted a little baby alien. Fun! We can stick it inside a stress ball! Out of one shell and into another. Let's see what comes up next. A self-stirring mug. Kinda looks a little like a blender's baby brother. But will it blend? That is the question. It works! Well, that's cool. Anything that makes room for duckies is A-okay with me. Where do they get all these cool tools? I don't know, but I wouldn't mind seeing more. Catch you next time.
Bum, 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 bum.